Amber, I have been studying HSK for so long. Why can I still not have a normal conversation with Chinese people?
I have been teaching Mandarin for 4 years, and I do get that question very often. Lots of my students worked really hard, finished HSK 1 and 2, but when it comes to real-life conversations, they still struggle. Why? Because even though HSK is one of the best designed textbook, it gives you a really good foundation of Chinese structure. But the content they're teaching every class is not the most helpful for daily conversation. For example, the most basic topic, self-introduction. What would you normally say? Hi, I am Amber. I am from China. I am a Mandarin teacher. I am introvert. I am an animal person. I like to dance and hike. That's a lot, but very simple. Only two structure tells you a lot about me. Now, if you learn more words about personality, nationality, hobby, jobs, you will be able to understand other people when they introduce themselves to you. That is the beginning of a conversation. But if you have tried HSK books, you will know we didn't learn too much words about those topics. We learned something like teacher, student, Chinese, American. Then very quickly they move on to the next structures. So you keep learning new structure like how to tell the time, but you didn't learn enough words. You need more words grouped by daily topic like feelings, color, food, animals. And that is how you can actually have a conversation with people. And that's how you use this language. And that's what language is for. It's for communication, not for studying in front of your desk. But in reality, most of the students just focus on the textbook and they spend hours to do homework and review by themselves, which is really boring. And then sometimes life gets too busy. You have too much to do with work or school. And sometimes you have a vacation that you need to take a break for a few weeks or sometimes a month. And when you come back, you find you forget about everything. You have to start from the top again. At this kind of moment, how would you feel? Frustrated? Understand? Want to give up? You will not be alone. That is why I'm starting this channel. In my class, I will still use HSK as the textbook because there's a reason it's the most popular studying system out there. It's very well organized, it comes with tons of study material, and it offers the certificate, which is really helpful for your job interview and applying for college. But in this channel, I will go beyond that. I will give you a lot more to learn about the daily life conversation topic. And on each topic, we will draw hard. I will give you everything you need to know. You can learn with a pace that you feel comfortable with. And go talk with somebody. Go to a Chinese restaurant and order your favorite food. Or go compliment a friend. Or ask a person on the party that what's their hobby and how's their life. So, if you want to start conversation in Mandarin sooner or practice with confidence, please subscribe to this channel and we will start this journey together. How would you feel? Frustrated? Yes. And want to give up? You're not alone.